But now let's begin.
You might think that part 4 was the last one. Well, you could think so. That the time-breaking episode, part 5, is here. You know, part 4 was the last part, but I want to make a video of part 5. And the title of it, it's going to be The Bird is Self-Right, part 5, The Time-Breaking Return. And I can see something up there. Let's see what we have in bound. Hello, sir. What are you doing in here? What? Yep. Thanks for the shrimp allergies now. Oh, change the ball. Hey, what are you doing? This isn't orange. I had to say it, but it just has to look like dun. What the heck is happening down there? Yo, what are you doing? Hey, what's he trying to do? Where did he even go though? Ooh, lava parkour. Ow! Where did I even go? Guess what I just said? Hello. Hey. I'm joining in. My Squidward. Oh, okay. What is this bird? The fast bird. What am I? I'm the little uncle bird. Now I'm a wiggle bird. And I can do the wiggle. Wiggle. Coming right on the blue track. Blue track. Bruna track, you know, Bruna track. Hello. Welcome. Hey, welcome back to no. Shrimp allergy. I am a shrimp allergy. I hate shrimp. Yeah. Take revenge. Revenge is near. Did somebody jump out of here? Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome down here. What are y'all doing? Wait, let me go. Can I just take one sip of lava, please? Just one bowl of lava, please. Hey, what are you doing? Just what? A sugar! Straight off knockoff team stuff happening. Look, I have no idea what is happening. I don't know, who's gonna win on me? Why are you walking away? Let me in! Let me in! I forgot to turn the music off, sorry, but I'm closing this gateway. You can never get in here now. No, I can never. Guys, we're gonna. Hello? Help! Help! I want to know what's in here. I want to know what's in here. Misstep. Yeah, I'm gonna write something on the wall. This is part 5. Time to what is it? That's fire. Imagine there was like daytime in this game, that'd be so cool. There's nothing like no playing this video yet, but I can be assured
The bird will return.